Hi, it's Kathy and James. We're here at Queensland Parliament House and we're about to hear the budget decision. What we're looking for is really 5 main things today out of the budget. So I'll just ask James, what is it that we're hoping comes about?
So the 5 things we're looking for today, Kathy, in the state budget are that there's an increased funding for community legal centres firstly. We're already turning away 3 in 5 of the people who come looking to us for help. We're expecting a 30% cut in our federal funding from July next year, and so this is an opportunity for the state government to step up and help us fix the problem. Number 2 is implementing the pre-budget commitment to bring the state's contribution to legal aid funding up to the national average. We've historically been fairly low, so there's an opportunity here for the government to implement that recommendation. Number 3 is continued family violence services. Community legal centres are providing domestic violence duty lawyer services at 14 courts across Queensland, and the funding for that expires in just a few weeks. So we're looking for sustainable and continuing funding, not just for the domestic violence duty lawyer services, but for other services for victims and survivors of family violence. Number 4 is making sure that we can protect the rights of people with mental illness under the new Mental Health Act. There are new rights, including rights of representation before the Mental Health Review Tribunal, but unless there are services that are funded to provide that representation, then those rights are pretty meaningless. And number 5, in the budget last year, the government committed to implementing a financial resilience and inclusion action plan. Keen to see what that plan looks like and what resources are going to be provided for those Queenslanders living in poverty or facing financial hardship.
And the next step is we go upstairs, they strip us of all our electronic devices, phones, iPads, remote controls for the TV, everything, and then we go into locked room, get the papers, frantically read them, make a few comments, and then we come downstairs to appear in front of the media. So exciting times, and we'll see you on the other side.